This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable notifications on the Microsoft Edge web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Edge web browser opened up now. Recently, Edge changed around some of their settings, how to access certain things, so I'm updating this video. To enable or disable notifications, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings. I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to click on Privacy, Search, and Services. Then on the center pane, you want to go down to where it says Site Permissions and click on Site Permissions. Now on this page, you want to click on All Permissions. And then right down here, Notifications. Click on Notifications. And right up top here, Default Behavior, Ask Before Sending, Recommended. This will block if turned off. As you can see, I have notifications disabled. I have it turned off. If you turn it on, you're allowing notifications. If it's turned off, you're blocking notifications. Down below that, they have a quiet notifications request. I have that turned off. If you turn that on, you're going to get requests for notifications. So I have mine turned off. I want to block them. Down below that, you have customized behaviors. You can allow particular websites or to disallow particular websites by clicking Add Site. You would put the URL in there. I'm going to hit Cancel. As you can see, I have one website allowed to send me notifications. I can click this three-dot menu off to the right of it. I could block that website. I could edit the URL, or I could remove it completely. If I remove it completely, it would have to follow my setting up here. Now, if you have notifications disabled and you're still getting them, that could be caused by browser extensions. It could be caused by malware. You would have to Google search the actual issue to find a remedy for it. But that is how to enable or disable notifications on the Microsoft Edge web browser. Thanks for watching.